Guys, it's raining. I'm done. That's my friend Sheila. I'm done. Now I'm going back to town. I'm leaving Busil. I told you they live along the highway, Tororo Highway. So guys, I'm leaving. As you can see right now, I'm along Tororo Highway, just going home. I'm now in town. I've left Busil. So I'm going to that side. And this building that you see, that's National Water and Sewerage Corporation. So here we are. This road. See? So guys, this is Fire Road, and this is where the National Water and Sewerage Corporation is. Nambale offices here. This one that you see.